Oh, he's chasing pigeons. Paul Kupchak says, I don't know why you don't like sign here, Mr. Eyring. Oh yeah, pigeons, Daddy, pigeons. I hope those are homing pigeons.
Where does he go?
There he is. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, he's chasing pigeons. That's a terrible thing. Well, now I got about a couple of minutes to waste while I stand here and swing this and try to be entertaining. Falconry is a sport that's been around for about 4,000 years. People hunt with birds of prey. No, that ain't him. Oh, and I just heard thunder. That just tickles me. Oh, gee. I should have quit while I was ahead.
No, he'll come back.
Now, the gerfalcon is found in the Arctic, and he shouldn't stay in the air too long, as hot as it is today. But he was heading out over the swamp, which is always a good place to go look for a bird. And I don't see him. Is he? Oh, oh. Thank you, Elvis. Elvis left the building and he came back. Good boy. Hop, hop, hop. No pigeons. There you go.